Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna be playing some off-road Outlaws, and it's not my first time. I played before, but yeah, let's just get into it. And I know exactly what truck I'm gonna buy. Just give me a second. Should I get this truck? This truck. No, not this truck. I mean, this truck. Okay. I feel I'm gonna get this truck. Or I'm gonna get this one. Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. So I just need to get a winch. I don't need that. Should I get? I get that. Oh, I don't need that. I don't need that. Front bumper. Just get that. See how much? 13,000. Okay. Oh no. I can take off. Take that. That's that. No, really that. Put that in there. But I'll keep that. Vendor. Let's just do that. 5 point. Lights. There. Now it's gonna do this. Alright. Well, we'll just do this. This will be my truck. I'm just gonna. I like that actually. I'm just gonna get some blue up in here. Now let me some red. There we go. Dang it. Oops. Sorry about that. Wrong button. Apply. There we go. Paint. How's that looking? I'm just going to nah. Actually, no, I don't like this here. Should I just make it all red? or do with that. Leave a comment. Should I go this color or this color? Leave a comment or tell me what I should do. Tints. Do that. I'm gonna put back to yellow for now, because I don't know. Oh man, I'm stuck with it. Oh no. Yeah, I'm just stuck with this, so I'll leave it for here. Okay. Put it there. Car show. Let's check out the car show, shall we? No. I don't like it that much. That's okay. That's pretty nice. That's nice, but I don't need it. I need like a truck like, yeah, it looks like this. I want to check out that white truck right there. Oh, this is pretty nice. I mean, this looks really nice. I'm gonna get that. It's okay. I'm just doing it for gold, people. I want like a Jeep or something. That's pretty nice. I want that bar bus right there. I want to check that out. Okay. Two more. Oh, yeah, I like that. That's nice. Like a 10 gold. Gonna keep rating. I'll rate one more time. I mean, whoops, sorry about that. Okay, I'll have to start playing now, alright? Play. So. Okay, yeah, this car, yeah, this car's pretty nice. Okay, hit this jump. Well, I need to upgrade the engine. Let's see, put on 4-wheel drive. There we go. And this is first person. Okay. I'm gonna put it low. I need a new winch. Free camera. Whoops. Anyway, guys, so yeah. Thank you for watching the video. There's probably one today or tomorrow. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Good. Thank you for watching the video, and yeah. Thank you for watching, and bye.